Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have two internship and one job update, and let's see it one by one. The first internship opportunity is from GE Healthcare and the job location is Bangalore. Now let's see the qualifications and essential skills required for this role. You should be in your third or fourth year of college graduate program or bachelor's degree or in masters in a relevant engineering discipline. That should be electronics or software is preferred. And you should have a strong C or C++ language skills, and you should have a hands-on experience in Shell, Perl or Python scripting. You should have the understanding of generative AI, and you should have the strong interpersonal skills. Now, let's see the second internship opportunity. The second internship opportunity is from Wells Fargo and it is an intern analyst role. The job location is Chennai. Now, let's see what you will do in this role. You will participate in formal internship program and workshop for a low complexity initiative within the internship program. You will review various assignments to become familiar with the policies and procedure for which answers can be quickly updated related to low to medium risk tasks and deliverable. And you will receive the direction from the manager and exercise the independent judgment while developing an understanding of compliance and risk management and the requirements for the supported area. You will collaborate and consult with the peers, colleagues, and managers to resolve the issue and achieve goals. Now, let's see the required qualification. You should have 6 months of work experience. Now, let's see the final job update. And the final job update is from Quest Global. And the job role is trainee engineer. And the job location is Bangalore. Now, let's see about the role. The roles and responsibilities of this role is you will need to study, analyze and understand the business requirement in context to business intelligence. You will design and map data models to shift raw data into meaningful insight. You will utilize Power BI to build interactive and visually appealing dashboards and reports. You will be responsible for managing data retrieval and analysis within an organization. We will provide you the apply link in the description. And if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it to your friends.